Imagine a machine so advanced it doesn't just break the speed limit, it breaks the laws of physics. We've reached a point where automotive engineering has outpaced human reaction time. These aren't just cars, they are glitches in the matrix, machines so dangerously capable they feel like they should be confiscated the moment you turn the key. And the car at the top of our list, it's so powerful, its own creator admits it's almost too much for a human to handle. I'm taking you inside the world of forbidden engineering. We aren't ranking these on looks, we're ranking them on sheer uncut technical audacity, the kind of innovation that makes regulators sweat. Number 10, the software strike Tesla Model S played. We start with the car that turned ludicrous into a baseline. The Plaid isn't on this list because of its interior, it's here because of its brain. It's a supercomputer on wheels that can out-accelerate a multi-million-dollar Ferrari for the price of a mid-range SUV. The carbon-sleeved rotors allow it to maintain peak power all the way to its top speed, a feat of thermal management that feels like a cheat code. Horsepower, 1020 horsepower. 0 to 60, 1.99 seconds. Top speed, 200 miles per hour. Price, $89,990. Key technology, carbon sleeve tri-motor architecture. Number 9, the aerodynamic anomaly. Gordon Murray T50. While everyone else is adding heavy batteries, Gordon Murray went the other way. The T50 features a massive 400mm rear-mounted fan. It literally sucks the car to the pavement, creating ground effect downforce that shouldn't be possible at low speeds. It's the spiritual successor to the McLaren F1, but with a V12 that screams to 12,100 revolutions per minute. Driving this feels like operating a surgical instrument in a world of sledgehammers. Horsepower, 654 horsepower. 0 to 60, 2.7 seconds. Top speed, 226 miles per hour. Price, $3 million. Key technology, 400mm rear-mounted aerodynamic fan. If you think a fan-powered supercar is wild, wait, we're just getting started. The next few cars don't just use technology, they use AI to rewrite how a chassis is built. Number 8, the AI architect, Singer 21C. The Singer 21C is the first car that looks like it was grown in a lab rather than built in a factory. Its chassis components are designed by AI and 3D printed from specialized alloys. The result? Organic-looking structures that are lighter and stronger than anything a human engineer could sketch. It's a tandem seat monster that proves the future of car manufacturing isn't assembly lines, it's algorithms. Horsepower, 1,250 horsepower, 0 to 60, 1.9 seconds. Top speed, 253 miles per hour. Price, $2 million. Key technology, AI-optimized 3D printed chassis. Number 7, the luxury Landjet Lucid Air Sapphire. Lucid didn't just build an EV, they built the most thermally efficient powertrain in history. The Sapphire uses 3 motors with microjet cooling that allows for repeated 0 to 100 sprints without breaking a sweat. It's a luxury sedan that treats physics like a suggestion. It's so quiet and so fast that the sensation of speed is almost unsettling. Horsepower, 1,234 horsepower, 0 to 60, 1.89 seconds. Top speed, 205 miles per hour. Price, $249,000. Key technology, microjet stator cooling. But now we're crossing a line. The next car on our list doesn't just drive, it dances. It's a controversial pick, but the tech inside it is pure sci-fi. Number 6, the hydraulic hybrid Yangwang 9. This is the controversial one. From China's BYD comes the Yangwang 9. It features the Daisus X suspension system, which is so advanced the car can literally jump off the ground, dance to music, and drive on only 3 wheels if a tire blows out. It's the kind of active suspension tech that was banned in Formula 1 because it offered an unfair advantage. Here, it's just the standard. Horsepower, 1,287 horsepower. 0 to 60, 2.36 seconds. Top speed, 192 miles per hour. Price $236,000. Key technology, Daisus X, intelligent fully active body control. Number 5, the software monster Rimac Nevera. The Rimac Nevera isn't just fast, it's sentient. Its all-wheel torque vectoring system calculates the power sent to each wheel 100 times per second. It uses an AI driving coach that overlays racing lines onto your windshield in real time. It's a car that teaches you how to drive it while you're doing 200 miles per hour. That's not a feature, that's a superpower. Horsepower, 1,914 horsepower. 0 to 60, 1.74 seconds. Top speed, 258 miles per hour. Price, $2,200,000. Key technology, RAWTV2, all-wheel torque vectoring. Number 4, the mechanical miracle, Koenigsegg Gemera. Christian von Koenigsegg doesn't believe in impossible. The Gemera is a 4-seat Mega GT that produces 2,300 horsepower using the Dark Matter E-motor and a twin-turbo V8. But the real magic is the Lightspeed transmission, a 9-speed 7-clutch system that can shift from any gear to any gear instantly. Its mechanical complexity scaled to an illegal degree. Horsepower, 2,300 horsepower. 0 to 60, 1.9 seconds. Top speed, 250 miles per hour. Price, $1,700,000. Key technology, Lightspeed Tourbillon Transmission, LSTT. We are now entering the top 3. These aren't just advanced, these are machines that have been built to dominate the earth. One is a literal Formula 1 car for the road, the other creates its own gravity. And the winner? It's the final masterpiece of the greatest designer to ever live. Number 3, the street legal sin, Mercedes-AMG 1. Mercedes did what everyone said was impossible. They took a literal championship-winning Formula 1 engine and put it in a road car. This isn't F1 inspired, it is a 1.6-liter V6 hybrid that idles at 4,000 revolutions per minute and revs to 11,000. The sheer audacity to make this street legal with its complex MGU-K and MGU-H units is an engineering middle finger to the status quo. Horsepower, 1,063 horsepower, 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. Top speed, 219 miles per hour. Price, $2,720,000. Key technology, actual e-performance Formula 1 powertrain. Number 2, the vacuum McMurtry Sperling Pure. The McMurtry Sperling looks like a toy, but it's a nightmare for every other car on this list. Like the T50, it uses a fan, but this one generates 4,400 pounds of downforce at a standstill. When it launches, it doesn't accelerate, it teleports. It holds the all-time record at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, beating billion-dollar racing programs with a car that looks like a Batmobile shrunk in the wash. Horsepower, 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60, 1.4 seconds. Top speed, 190 miles per hour, gearing limited. Price, $1,100,000. Key technology, twin fan downforce system, 2,000 kilograms constant. And now, the number 1. A car so advanced, so pure, and so extreme that it can't even be registered for the street. It is the pinnacle of what happens when you remove every single rule. Number 1, the final boss, Red Bull RB17. This is it, Adrian Newey's swan song. The RB17 is a 2-seat hypercar that produces Formula 1 level lap times. It features a naturally aspirated V12 that screams to 15,000 revolutions per minute and an active suspension system that is more advanced than anything currently allowed in professional racing. It's the ultimate expression of this shouldn't exist. It is the most advanced piece of automotive performance ever sold to the public. Period. Horsepower, 1,200 horsepower. 0 to 60, undisclosed, faster than F1. Top speed, 217 plus miles per hour. Price, $6 million. Key technology, active aerodynamics, and 15,000 revolutions per minute V12. The Tesla Plaid brought the tech to the masses, but the RB17 took that tech to the heavens. We are living in a second golden age of the automobile where the only thing faster than the cars is the rate at which we're reinventing them. Which one of these would you risk your license for? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into forbidden tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got more engineering madness coming your way.